Hey guys, so if you have the issue that Alexa is not working on your Sonos and you're looking for how to fix that, this is something I found on Reddit and maybe it's going to be helpful. So what you can do is an update was launched today with a fix for this issue. Please open the Sonos app and go to settings, system updates and check for updates and follow the prompts. I just updated and confirmed that it fixed the issue for me. Alexa app shows my Sonos One as being online and Alexa responds again. So this is something that I found is that possibly it's going to help you. That you just want to update. If not, then you just like try to install or reinstall the app. But I don't know if that is going to actually like fix and help you. But I hope like this thing here, the updating is actually going to help. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. And yeah, I just like to make these quick effective videos for you that I hope that it's going to fix it and help you. If not, then I'm sorry.